I'm up here at Lawler Baptist on 78 Highway. Just walked through the woods to get here, and looking at all this damage. See if I can turn it around here. Looking at all this damage on the hill. Try not to cry, but I looked at the three crosses, and the one that matters is the one that's still standing. And that just really touched me. Got three crosses standing, and the one that matters the most is the one that's standing out of all the damage that's around. Church is messed up real bad. Signs completely gone, trees blocking everything. I walked through the woods to get up here, but then you see the cross. Just really ministered to me. But anyways, storm missed us probably about 150, 200 yards. But you look across the street, the gas station's completely gone. All the houses and everything back there, somewhat, well, pretty damaged because the actual place is over here. But I see a few people jumping on, and I'll just tell y'all what ministered to me is there's three crosses that have stood up here as long as I've been here, and the one that matters the most is the one still standing. It just really ministered to me.